Going on, guys? So as a follow-up video, like I promised, from the fuel pump install, as you guys saw a couple weeks ago, I had installed a new Holley red electric fuel pump right here. I finally got all the leaking to stop, got the pressure good and everything like that. Went to start it up and it was pissing fuel all over the engine bay coming out of the inline fuel filter near the carburetor. So I had one of the plastic 3/8 ones in there. Was having a hard time finding one that would handle the pressure. So did some research and found this here is a Napa aluminum filter, as you can see here. So it's still two pieces, but it's all metal, so it's much tougher construction. So I did some research. I wanted to see what these were rating because Napa itself doesn't say. So after doing some digging around, I found out that Wix Filters is the one that actually makes Napa, which, if anyone knows, Wix filters are very good quality. So Wix and this part number were interchangeable, and the Wix filter is rated at 60 PSI, which is more than enough, as the pump I have is only pushing out about 7. So I slapped that on, started up, and she's been good. So we're gonna try starting it up, see how she sounds with the better fuel pressure now. And you can hear it starts right up, 1, 2, 3. No more starving of fuel. I didn't realize that my old pump apparently was so much down on pressure because I don't have a gauge, which I really should. But so this is the new fuel filter if anyone needs it. Part number is 3033 from Napa or from Wix. So let's start her up. Started up pretty good. That was just with one kick of the throttle to allow the electronic choke to open up. Hadn't been started in a couple weeks. So now I'm going to start it up again now that it's warm. We'll see how quick she starts. So as you can see, she fired right up. Second time, no problem. So I'd say she's running good now.